In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag and drop tasks in Wrike. We'll walk through this in a simple, clear way, so by the end you'll feel completely comfortable moving tasks around to match your priorities and workflow. First, make sure you're in the right place inside Wrike. Drag and drop works best in what's called the board view. If you're currently seeing a list of tasks in rows or maybe a table layout, you'll want to switch over. Look toward the top of your workspace for the option that lets you change how your tasks are displayed. Select board view. Once you do that, your tasks should appear as cards arranged in columns, often grouped by status, such as new, in progress, or completed. Now that you're in board view, let's talk about moving those task cards. Each card represents a single task. To rearrange them, simply hover your mouse over a card, click and hold down the mouse button, and then drag the card to a new position. You can move it higher or lower within the same column to adjust its priority, or move it over to a different column to update its status in your workflow. When you see a highlight or a placeholder showing where the task will land, just release the mouse button and the card will drop into its new spot. As you start dragging and dropping, keep an eye on the on-screen prompts and subtle visual cues Wrike provides. For example, when you pick up a card, the interface may slightly dim other elements or highlight valid drop zones. When you hover over a new column, you might see a visual indicator that confirms the task can be moved there. These on-screen prompts are there to guide you, so take a moment to notice how they react as you move tasks around. If at any point something doesn't move the way you expect, pause and look for any messages, tooltips, or icons that appear. Wrike often uses these to let you know if you're trying to drop a task into a restricted area, or if there's an additional action you need to take. Following these prompts will help you understand what's allowed in your particular workspace configuration. That's all there is to it. Switch to board view so you can see your tasks as cards, drag and drop those task cards to rearrange or update their status, and pay attention to the on-screen prompts that guide your actions. With a bit of practice, moving tasks around in Wrike will feel quick, intuitive, and perfectly tailored to how you like to manage your work.